wide history of tea, from legend to health ovation. Have you ever stopped to think about what's really inside your cup of tea? It's not just leaves and water, it's history. According to Chinese legend, was boiling water when a few harsh tea leaves floated in with the breeze. He tasted it, he felt refreshed, focused and alive. That simple accident, a leaf falling into the water, changed the course of history. Tea became medicine, then ritual, then art. For monks using it to stay awake during thought, using it to welcome guests, tea became symbol of mindfulness, respect and connection. As centuries passed, tea began to travel from the mountains of China to the temples of Japan, across the desert of Central Asia and finally to Europe. It became a global passion. But not all of tea history is peaceful. Behind its gentle image flashes a story of labor and struggle. Plantations in India, Sri Lanka and Africa grow under harsh conditions to survive. Today tea has entered a new era, the era of wellness. We drink green tea for antioxidant. Science now supports that what ancient cultures already know. Tea heals the body, clears the mind and feeds the soul. Tea reminds us. So why avoid history of tea? Because tea is more than a drink. It's a mirror of humanity, our creativity, our conflicts, our search for meaning. From legend to lifestyle, from ceremony to science, tea continues to unite us across borders and generations. So next time you hold a cup of tea, silence, look at it closely and remember inside the cup flashes a story thousands of years old. A story of discovery, healing and connection. Because in the end, it's not just tea, it's history in a cup. If you enjoyed this video, give it like and let me know in the comments. Which traditional health and ritual do you practice or want to try next? Thanks for watching and stay well.